Let's settle the ultimate underground cable debate today: direct burial versus a dedicated trench.
You've got miles of power cable to route. So do you bury it or trench it?
The trade-off? Direct burial is literally dirt cheap, but trenches give you incredibly easy access for maintenance.
If you bury it, grab a shovel. You gotta dig down at least 0.7 meters. Down there, protection is everything. You'll need heavily armored cables, sand beds, and tough cement covers.
Trenching instead? Water is your biggest enemy here, so your drainage gradient must be 0.5% minimum.
Pro tip, don't fall for the 0.1% slope myth. It's a total recipe for a flooded trench.
So, long rural runs love cheap burial, while complex chemical plants definitely demand an easily inspectable trench.
If you're trenching, safety codes are super strict. High and low voltage cables can absolutely never share a tray.
The golden rule here, you gotta maintain at least 300 millimeters of vertical space between them.
A safe trench layers strategically: weak current up top, low voltage in the middle, and high voltage way down at the bottom.
Why the bottom? Because if a catastrophic arc fault blows, that explosive damage won't destroy the weaker cables above.
Between ground settlement and explosive arc faults, the stakes are huge. So, is your next project safely routed?